This is the K'NEX roller coaster model number 63030. It was released in 1994 and includes 2,400 classic pieces. It was designed with a hand crank that moved the coaster car up the hill. There are two versions included in the instructions. The loop version, as seen here, is 8 feet long and 3 feet wide. The smaller spiral version is 5 feet long and 3 feet wide. I replaced the hand crank with the green motor. How do the more recent classic K'NEX coasters differ from the original 1994 coaster? The newer coasters have a different track design. They use the green track supports seen here. There are 3 classic connectors at the bottom. One here, one down there. At the top are 2 connection points where the track is attached. One on either side. The coaster cars run on this, as you can see right there and there. In the middle there is an optional connection point for track that is used as a guide for the chain links as they are pulled up the incline, right in the middle here. The advantage of this track is that the coaster can run face up, on its side, and even upside down, which the 1994 cannot do. Here is the track and coaster car for the 1994 coaster. As you can see, the car is made from classic K'NEX parts. Here are the parts needed to build the track. These orange connectors with the track connections at the top here, and then this special rod which I've never seen before I came across this model. It has at both ends an indentation where these clips clip in and it stops them from moving back and forth. There's the indentation. And as you can see, it doesn't move back and forth. I'll put the next one on. And there's the track. And then these fit on both sides. That's all there is to it. Here is the assembled track with 2 different types of tubing. The tubing on the left here was the one that came with the original coaster. I find it to be a little flimsy. It's not straight, and I can't get it to be straight. This is the track that's now used on all the modern roller coasters, and I find it to be much nicer. And it's very smooth, runs very smoothly on these, and maybe a little bit less. As you can see, the wheels are moving back and forth. Well, that's going to slow down the coaster. This one runs very nicely. I did make one small change to the chain lift. The original design is on the right. That's how it is in the book. I made this modification to move this up just a little bit higher. This was causing the coaster to jam on the way up. this one makes it go out nice and smoothly. It may have been because I was using the thick tubing instead of the original thin tubing.